Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be show you my mains for the 2020. Let's go. So for the 2x2 I using the MGC 2x2 in stickerless plastic. This cool for me, really cool, because I can make this cube sub 2 and sub 3 average a row, and this cube really comfortable for me. Yeah, and my backup main of this cube is a Dion 10 M cube, are really cool and really quiet. Yeah, so let's go for the 3x3 one-handed and standard. So my main for the normal solving the Rubik's Cube is the Bulk Elite with the DNM 37 loop inside, and this cube really amazing for my opinion. I broke with this cube a lot of my TVs, and for the one-handed I use Waylong WRM Note 2020 edition. I sold this cube because really comfortable for one-handed. Yeah. So let's go to the 4x4. I used the Aosu WRM. I can say only one word. It's cool cube, and size for my hands really useful because I have not big hands, and size of this 4x4 is 59 millimeters. Yes. So my 5x5 man is MGC. I can say for about this cube, it's really amazing puzzle because the corner cut, it's amazing, and lockups and pops don't have this cube, and really speed. So my 6x6, I using Little Magic 6x6M. This cube for me really cool, but this cube have problems with lockups, because if you turning not normal, you can make these pops. Yeah, and this cube have problem with this. Okay, so and finally 7x7 is a MGC. Really cool puzzle. This cube from the box really speedy, because when you're turning with only one finger, this cube can move you two, or with these 3 layers. Yeah, cube really speed. So let's go to the not cube. This is a cube. I used a Moyo Aoyam cube with the normal center cups. I can say for this cube, for me, really good. Yeah, because they're so fast and magnets are really cool. So for the pairings, I use the X-Men Bell V2 with the strongest magnets at puzzle, because from the box this cube really fast, and controllable for this cube not good. And my backup main of the pairings, I use the Yan pairings. Yeah, this really two cool puzzles. And my square one main This is a Volt MV2, not LM, standard magnets. I saw this cube really good, and I think this cube really cool because to compare with first version of this puzzle really fast. Look like up, bottom, and bottom layers, and slice really comfortable. Yeah. Okay, so we have last two puzzles. This is the Megaminx. I used Megaminx from YG, the Yuhu V2 M, and this cube for me really good because he has not strong magnets, really useful for this cube, and with this puzzle I improved my solves and broke a lot of PBs. Yeah, and my last main is a clock. I still using my Shengshou clock. This clock only $10, and for this $10 this cube really good. Yeah, I can say only. And when you set up this cube really improved your solves, for my opinion. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and bye.